Hi, my name is Ariana Daspin, and this is my final project. This would be an example of a topic that would be in the sixth grade math curriculum. This is within the Unit 4 unit for sixth grade, and the topic is translating expressions. I would give this particular topic 3 weeks or 3 modules for students to complete it in. So once they come to the Schoology page, you'll notice there's a little picture so that students can easily identify this is our math course. And this has, it's a good symbol for translating expressions because it deals with all 4 operations. So the very first link on our page is welcome to our course, and students will click there. And everything is in order of the directions on this page for files to click on. It explains that this is an asynchronous course where students will not be meeting in person, nor we will be meeting in real time, but they'll be interacting with myself and their peers, and that there's a pacing guide for them to be successful. Another way for the students to be successful is by following my 6 helpful hints on how to be a successful online student. For example, be willing to commit to 4 to 15 hours per week, to be engaged, to be a critical thinker, and be part of the online learning community. I give students will be able to read, write, and evaluate expressions, and then they'll also be able to apply properties of operations to identify or generate equivalent expressions as the 2 topics that students will be able to learn and understand within this course. I give a quick overview of what and when will be due in this course, which are the 3 modules, the quick topics, and the quick dates, so that students can help plan and prepare themselves. And then I gave them an idea of what to do if they need help, and I suggest that they either message me or use the I Need Help discussion page, which is back on the original page. And then if they want a quick brain break or to share something fun or interesting, that we have a social media board. And I will go to those now. So going back to our original page, the I Need Help discussion board is here. And then I explained to them that I will be able to respond within 24 hours. Students are also encouraged to help each other out, but I will be there behind the scenes to make sure everything is valid help. So back to the main page, the social media board. I shared with the students that I will be going to Ireland for a wedding, which I will actually be doing this evening, and that I will be sharing pictures when I get back. And because this course would may be given over a summer break, it'd be a great idea for students to share their fun vacations or fun day trips that they took over the summer to create that community feel. So now for the academic aspect. Once you click on the modules folder, you will see modules 1, 2, 3, and then the 3 discussion board here. So module 1 is our first week where students get to introduce themselves. And I ask them to, in the discussion board, to tell me their name, if they have any nicknames, what their favorite activity to do outside of the school is, and their favorite topic in math. And then the optional post, because these students are under the age of 18, if they have their parent permission, they can post a picture of themselves. So I posted an example here with my picture there, again, to help match a name with a face for my students to make it as personal as possible. So module 2 for the second week is a vocabulary infographic. So with translating expressions, vocabulary is very important here. So step 1, which is worth 5 points, and with all these modules, I tell the students how many points each step is worth. They'll use Google or any search engine that they prefer to find an infographic. And then step 2, they will, in the discussion board, show us why they chose a particular infographic and 3 new words that they learned. So here's an example. I gave a link and I explained the 2 steps there. And then the third step is to comment on at least 2 students' infographics about why they like their infographic and comment about what new words they saw or how their infographics were different. Last but not least, module 3 is translating expressions. So I have a video or a website that students can watch or listen to, so they have that option. They don't have to use both links. And then they get to create a multiple choice question. So this not only shows me what they've learned, but step 3 asks students to answer another student's multiple choice question. So I'll be able to formatively assess both students in different ways. Students will explain which answer is correct, why the other ones were incorrect, and how they could improve it. So going back to our page, Students will always have the upcoming features on the side to help guide them to be the most successful that they can.